Right guys, I know I done a video earlier on, or yesterday, whenever I upload this video, about a shotgun. It's a fairly good shotgun. We'll be doing part 2 soon on shooting it. I did do a take earlier, I was doing it, but it didn't end up how I wanted it. But I've now moved on from my spring pistols and whatnot, and I now have HG123 from HFC, I believe. That's it down there. That's the box. It is non-blowback, it takes green gas. So in the box you get your manual, obviously you don't shoot yourself in the face, disassembly type of things, but I believe it's not field strippable as it is non-blowback, so the slide can't slide off. So in the box you get your gun and a pack of 6mm bullets. These are actually my own bullets which I put in this bag. I got rid of the other ones. I just put them in there, and the purpose of the video, it was these cheap little ones. But this is the gun. It is a polymer, so no plastic parts. Well, polymer's plastic, but there isn't any cheap plastic parts. Everything is polymer and metal. The inner barrel is metal, the trigger is metal, safety, the hammer, the sights, this little end bit, it's all metal, and the rest of the framing is all ABS or polymer. So there is a working safety here, so forgot that was loaded. Right, so there's a working safety there. You put that up, it will no longer shoot, the hammer will not work. If you take it off, you can use the hammer and shoot. It is got a really good weight on it. As compared to my P169 Springer, which I've done a couple customizations on. So one of them is the it's being a bit weird right now, the slide catch, because the button is singing, but it does have slide catch here, but it's not wanted to catch. It's also now got an open barrel or chamber, and not the best, but it's a fairly sized thing. It is a 1911, and then this is my new gas pistol, so basically the same size, just shorter barrel basically. So it is green gas, like I said. So I've got a big Cannon the Pro gas here. Shake it up a little bit. There's already gas in the gun. I do need to put a little bit more in it. So you put it in for 4 to 6 seconds, but I'm just gonna. That's all I need. And then this is the magazine here. It is a fairly skinny magazine, obviously, as instead of the gas going into a magazine, it is going into the hand, the grip itself. So you just put that in. There is no, it is a fixed slide, as I said, it is non-blowback. Take off the safety, and then it's just the mag release does not work. You just take it out, and you get your big box of just random TVs and Pro whatnot. So.
And yes, I know, I really
pull down
badly need a
the spring
haircut. Pronto.
Put them in the top. I think it holds around 16 bullets. I'll put a link to this in the description. It was £40, I believe, and the gas was £9. So mag is full. I think that's 16, and then you just insert the mag, take it off safe, and then fire. Just shoot this plastic bag here so it doesn't bounce back. It went straight through that. It shoots around 240 FPS. Has a decent range. It says on the website it has no hop up. After I have shot it, it does have a slight hop up on it, or even backspin. It's fairly powerful. Again, once I do the shooting for the shotgun, I will do shooting of this on the same day. If I get my ARP9, if you've got one of these, this is how you'll be able to tell the size. That's my ARP9. This is my United 11. So, size comparison. But yeah, definitely recommend. It's got a really good weight to it. Magazine is a bit small, which I'm not the best keenest on, but
on camera it sounds like I hit a gas can. It wasn't. I just hit the edge of the bin and it spun around it. That's all it was.
But yeah, definitely recommend buying this. And I'll see you all in the next video. Get a little thumbnail here. There we go. See you in the next one.